Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to bulk create these types of videos, which is YouTube Shorts slash TikToks slash Instagram Reels. And I'm going to show you something first. I just did like a quick YouTube search and I found a few channels. I found this channel, which is a very simple automated channel. It's called About Facts. And this channel pulls some serious views and getting some serious money. It's generating around like $10,000 to $11,000 a month. That is some good money. And it is a very simple concept. Like, look here. It's a simple concept. It's just an image, a background image with some music and some text. And this is all doable with ChatGPT and Canva, which is free tools. Of course, you can pay for them, but you can use them completely for free. And it's only going to take you like 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes of your time. And you can bulk create like 100, 200, even 1,000 of these videos. And you can just schedule them. You can schedule them like 4 or 5 of these videos a day. If you post 5 videos of these a day for like 2 months or 3 months, oh, believe me, you're gonna get some results. You're gonna get some good results. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about how to create or bulk create 1,000 YouTube shorts, monetizable YouTube shorts. And it's not just YouTube shorts. You can use these for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook. You can use this anywhere you want. And you can use this for any niche and it's 100% monetizable. And it's gonna take you like probably 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. It's super easy and it's completely free. So in this video, we're going to use a few tools. The first thing we're gonna use is ChatGPT to create the quotes and the stuff. We're gonna make them. So it's ChatGPT. It's completely free. It's chatgpt.com. If you don't have an account, just make an account. It's free. And we're going to use Canva, canva.com. It's completely free. Of course, there's a paid subscription if you want, but you can use the free one completely. That is completely fine. And we're going to use Google Sheets. It's just you go to your Google account and just open Google Sheets, and I'm gonna show you why. So in this video we are going to create quotes, motivational quotes, and this can be about any niche, and this can be about any like industry, or like in I've seen some videos like on parts, like part 1, part 2, part 3, just to keep like the audience engaging. So it's up to you. We're going to use motivational quotes, but I put here some on like perseverance, or like overcoming doubt, or starting fresh, or embracing failure, whatever you want. So we're gonna create the first batch, which is 25 motivational. We just take the prompt, and here's the 25. We're gonna take them, copy, and you come here and you paste, and you can go and just copy and now make the same. Oops. On perseverance. And here is another batch, and you can like rinse and repeat. It's the same thing. In this video I think I'm gonna make like 50-ish, but you can rinse and repeat the same thing. Just gonna take these 50, copy, you come here, paste. Nice. And now we're gonna save the file. You go to file, download, and you want to use CSV. Hit CSV, it's saved, and now we go to Canva. In Canva, you can search for YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts. Here's YouTube Shorts. You can use any of these templates if you want. There's a lot of free ones like this one and this one. This is awesome. It's up to you. Or you can just create one from scratch if it's gonna match your brand. Or this looks promising. Yes, let's use this one. Customize this template. And here, what I used to do is, first thing I do is I mute the audio completely. So it is audio free, and then I shorten the video. Instead of 10 seconds, I just use like 3 because it's the same video. Done. And now I select the text. I go to apps, and then I scroll down to bulk create, and then upload data. We select the spreadsheet we downloaded, and we hit open. And now we're going to hit these 3 dots after we selected the text and connect data, and we choose the data we uploaded, which is this one. Connect, continue, generate. Boom. Here's 50. They're ready. Everything here. Look. You can delete this if you want. It's up to you, or you can just keep it, or you can just use your handle. I prefer to use the handle, like your YouTube or your Instagram reel handle. And you can, of course, you can change the font, the size, the placement. It's up to you. Look. Here's one. Here's the second one, and so on and so forth. And to download these videos, you go to share. You go to download, and download pages as separate files. This is important. So it's gonna download them as files, like 50 videos, so you can schedule them easily. Just hit this and you hit download, and it's gonna download it. So, or if you don't like the video and you want to change the video, you go to apps and you go to videos, and the beach. Let's find something free. I think you can just filter it by free. Yes. Free. Yeah. You can use this one if you want. You just resize it. And you just move it. And then you go to position, layers, and you just drag it and drop it here. That's one way of doing it. If you guys like interested, and now you have something different. And of course you have to do this before you create all these, so it's gonna apply the effect on all of them. This is the ideal situation. So this is how you bulk create 50, like 100, 200, even 1,000, even 5,000 videos. All you have to do is just rinse and repeat, and you just use ChatGPT. I need on overcoming doubts, and it doesn't have to be like quotes. It can be like stories, can be anything you want, and you can use one of these. There's online platforms for free audio, and you can get some audio. You can add it just to get some engagement, and you keep posting every day until you get results. So that's it for me today, guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and just give me a like. Thank you, guys.